Hello Mzansi, Musa Khawula is back on YouTube. According to Musa, Thato Kekana deleted all his YouTube videos. So let me explain this. For someone to have access to delete your content or your videos, they must have access to your YouTube studio, meaning that you need to give them your signing in details, which is your email and your password. Now that person has access to your AdSense account, meaning which is where your money is put by YouTube before it comes to South Africa into your bank account through your personal details. My wild guess is that Thato Kekana is part of Musa Khawula's team, the creatives behind, the researchers, the edit team, all of that jazz. This takes me back to Nao Rapetswa. So she once had an episode where one of her team members ran away with the footage. Now Mzansi, when you see the likes of McG, the T-World, Jub Jub, Somizi, and most of South African singers, a whole lot of them, they have a team, they have someone that scripts for them, edits, and posts on their behalf. So now trouble comes when now you clash with one of your team members, and then now a person runs away with your footage, or because now they have access to your personal accounts, be it your Instagram or your Facebook or your TikTok or your YouTube or your Twitter account. They can delete all of your videos or your content, But anyway, since we are just happy that Musa Khawula is back with the exclusive, because guys, let us just give this guy his stars. I mean, this guy is not just a blogger, he is a damn journalist. I don't care who or what says about Musa Khawula. That stand that he pulled 2 days ago, went into that house that Jackie Palmas was talking about. That is exclusive content. So Mzansi, that is why Musa Khawula's videos were deleted by a guy called Thato Kekana. I don't think that he was hacked. I personally feel that he was part of his team. Anyway, Mzansi, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest Mugozi. Bye-bye.